Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to search someone on Instagram by image. So basically this is pretty unlikely to do that, but I'm going to show you how to see someone's DP on your mobile phone without following them. So I'm just going forward to select a person right here on Instagram that I'm not following. I'm just going to search for someone right here, let's say John, and I'm going to select accounts, and that must be a private account. Okay, so this is the account right here, and I'm going to tap the icon with the three dots right here and copy profile URL. And what I'm going to do next is go to my Google Chrome mobile app right here, and I'm going to paste that Instagram profile URL and select DP and then I'm going to search for that option. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.